Good ball. Yeah, it is. It's in the net. He scored. That's what he did. Ball, ref.